All right, let's season our fish. Just keep in mind, salmon is one of those fishes you just want to enhance. We're going to start off with some fresh minced garlic. We're going to add a little paprika. We're going to hit it with a little bit of salt. Oh yes, that's nice. And we're going to hit it with a little black pepper. Wonderful. And some olive oil. And we're going to mix that up right now. We're going to mix that up and see the consistency of it. All right, now we're going to take the same beautiful, nice seasoning and we're going to brush it nicely on this. Look at these beautiful cuts of salmon. Beautiful. You just want to brush it on nicely. Don't be shy. Just dab it on there and just brush it nicely. Oh, wow. That looks great. That's what you want to do. Just let it sit on there. Pick some up, drop it on there, and spread it. Pick some up, drop it, and spread it. Oh, yes. You just want to enhance the flavor. Salmon has a wonderful natural flavor. We just want to bring that flavor out. That's all we want to do. All right, there you have it. That's perfect. All right, that's it. All right, let's put this wonderful salmon in to bake nicely at 375 to 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until fully cooked. All right, look at this salmon. Oh my goodness. That's what you want. That is beautiful. Well, there you have it. A wonderful, quick baked salmon. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.